Tired of the daily grind and dreaming of a fulfilling career where you call the shots? Today, we're diving into how to launch your own State Farm agency, a fantastic opportunity for entrepreneurship backed by a brand you can trust. First up, the initial qualification, typically requiring a good credit score and a clean background check. So gather those documents and see where you stand. Next, you'll navigate the application process, which is online through State Farm's website. It's important to fill it out thoughtfully and accurately, then you'll have to submit and await feedback. This begins to dive into the intense training phase, including education requirements tailored by licensing in your state to make sure you're equipped to sell. Passing these exams is critical. With your license in hand, it's time for agency setup. This includes finding a suitable location, often with guidance from State Farm, and hiring your team. Finally, insurance sales and service. This is where you work with clients, educate them on their insurance needs, build meaningful relationships, and assist them with policy management. Ultimately, helping people and building your business. Starting your own State Farm agency takes work, but the potential is huge, and you'll have the support of a respected brand every step of the way.